Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I Miss Azra from Economics Department. Our course is Intermediate Microeconomics. Course code is ECON-312 for regular students and ECON-211 for those students who are repeating that subject. This is our lecture number 12. Today we will discuss the income elasticity of demand. These are the outlines of our topic. We will go through income elasticity of demand, cross price elasticity, elasticity of supply. Now, what is income elasticity of demand? And first, what is demand? Demand is any idea, demand is a concept through which we can buy any commodity, we can purchase any good having purchasing power. When we are able to get any commodity, any good, any item, it is our demand. We can also say that demand is equal to your willingness as well as ability for payment. What is elasticity? Elasticity concept we have also studied, we have also explained, understand in our previous lectures. Here, elasticity is, elasticity shows that how much one factor, let's suppose quantity demand will change due to change in other factor, let's suppose price factor. What is income elasticity of demand? Income elasticity of demand measures how much the quantity demanded of a good responds to a change in consumer income. It is computed as a percentage change in the quantity demand, which is divided by the percentage change in income level. It is also calculated in percentage form. Here is the formula how to compute income elasticity. How we will compute income elasticity. Income elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in income level. Due to change in income level, how much your quantity demand will change, it is called income elasticity of demand. Here is income elasticity again. We have two types of goods, normal goods as well as inferior goods. Along with these two types, we have also given goods. Here we will discuss only normal goods as well as inferior goods. Higher income raises the quantity demanded for normal goods but lowers the quantity demand for inferior goods. Inferior goods are those goods for which, if best alternate is available, we will decrease the purchasing of that good. Again, goods consumers regard as necessities tend to be income inelastic. Examples are food, fuel, clothing, utilities, and medical services. Goods consumers regard as luxuries tend to be income elastic. Examples are sports cars, furs, and expensive food items. What is cross price elasticity of demand? A measure of how much the quantity demanded of one good responds to a change in the price of another good. Cross price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demand of good 1, which is divided by percentage change in price of any other good, which we can call good 2. Substitutes goods cross price elasticity of demand is positive here. For complement goods, cross price elasticity of demand is negative. Substitutes goods are those goods for which alternates are available. For example, if you are going to consume tea and coffee, let's suppose price of tea increases, best alternative will be coffee. Complement goods are those goods which are always used jointly. We can also say it joint goods. Elasticity of supply. Price elasticity of supply is a measure of how much the quantity supplied of a good responds to a change in the price of that good. Price elasticity of supply is the percentage change in quantity supplied resulting from a percentage change in the price level. Price elasticity of demand can best be explained by diagrammatical presentation. Here is the case of perfect inelastic supply curve. Due to increase in price level, the producer will not be able to increase the supply because here it is perfect inelastic supply curve. There will be no change in the supply of that much good. Here you can see that if the price of any good increased from $4 to $5, supply will be always 100 units at the price of 4 as well as at the price of 5. Here you can see that quantity supply is constant here and this shows increase in price. Again, this is inelastic supply curve where elasticity is less than 1. You can see the supply curve that in case of inelastic supply curve, if there is increase in price level from 4 to 5, change in quantity supply will be less than as compared to change or increase in price level. If there is an increase in price level, in case of inelastic supply curve, quantity supply will increase, but not that much as increase in price level. You can see that this is show increase in price level and x-axis shows increase in quantity supplied. Unit elastic supply curve where elasticity will be equal to 1. Unit elastic means that there will be uniform increase or decrease in both the components quantity as well as price level. Let's suppose price has been increased from 4 to $5. Quantity supply has been increased from 100 to 125, which shows that 22% increase in price level leads to same increase, 22% increase in quantity supply. Uniform change, same increase or same decrease is called unit elastic curve. It will be as here you can see the elastic supply curve diagram. In case of elastic supply diagram, the supply curve will be flatter one. Here, if the price of any commodity increase by a little portion, quantity demand will respond more as compared to increase in price level. Also, we can say that if there is decrease in price level from 5 to 4, supply will respond more as compared to change in price level, and in that case our supply will decrease from 200 units to 100 units. Here you can see that 22% increase in price level leads to 67% increase on quantity supply. This is elastic supply curve, and here elasticity is greater than 1. What is perfect elastic supply curve? Where elasticity equals infinity. In case of perfect elastic supply curve, there will be no change in price level. Price will be constant always. You can increase, you can decrease the supply of that good. It is called perfect elastic supply curve. Here you can see that at the price below 4, quantity supplied is 0. These are the recommended books for that course. Also, I have prepared that lecture from these books. You can take help from these recommended books which are recommended from our board of study. You can also take help from the Google, as well as you can consult me if you people have any problem. Thank you.